Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just gonna give you a quick post about installing airlift height and pressure system, and this is quite simple. They made these cardboard templates so you can mount these and you can see that the angle doesn't exceed the 120 degrees which this sensor has, and in my case this is really simple because I have the body up there and I have lots of room to play with these. And the point is you have to use as much of this area here as possible. The whole 120 degrees would be ideal, and the chassis or air chassis works best if you can obtain that. And I mounted this, it's in right position, and gonna start doing that side next. And the rear was easy, but the front one is gonna be much harder, and I'm just wondering where and how I'm gonna install the front one. Obviously not here because the tires will hit, but also not in the lower control arms because it's gonna get dirty and get wet and so on, and that's not a good place. And as you can see, I managed to do the firewall smoothening thing, and there you can see those welds. They are for electric gas pedal. I made a mount in there, and also had to notch this transmission tunnel a little bit to get this 4L6E transmission in there. So, and also a little bit trouble with my AC compressor bracket. This is used in a 2001 Corvette, so I had to make these spacers in here and also made new brackets here, and that's about it. Also sold the old engine and transmission. Have now much more room in the garage. The seat is also sold and it's leaving, I think, tomorrow or Friday, and I'm hoping I get these air height sensors in place so I can start painting the rear and the chassis, and after that start painting epoxy in here, and also I get some paint examples from my paint guy. I'm gonna start possibly painting these so I can see the color that it's okay or not. And also gonna water dip this intake and valve covers and all the accessory brackets. So they're gonna be, I think, slightly goldish with what do you call helmiäinen? Well, some sort of effect gold paint anyway, and the whole engine bay is gonna be red with the car. So I think the gold valve covers and brackets make a nice touch in there, and also the rims are gonna have gold spikes on them, or what you call those center sections of the wheels are gonna be gold color. The same water dipping process to those. And my driver's side heater is on the works. It didn't fit, and my friend is gonna make a little adjustment to them so they're gonna fit nice with the new steering box. And that's about it. I made the transmission bracket earlier, and I'm not sure will it hold or should I weld some steel to the sides. It's about 3 or 2 millimeters thick tube, so I think I'm gonna weld here some more metal. And the engine came with whole wiring harness and fuel lines, etc. So it's ready to be put in place, and just battery and few wires and it's ready to run. But that's it for today, and now I'm gonna leave, and this should be continued tomorrow. And that's it. Bye bye.